Morning folks, how are we all doing? Right, the other day I took a little recce run down to Newcastle Emlyn, West Wales, to a place called Cenarth Falls. I actually saw this on Missing and Flyers video from a couple of years back and it was a really nice looking place, so I popped down to have a look. I did have the GoPro on and filming on the way there and back. Unfortunately, due to the horrendous rain which I rode through, the audio was pants, so there was no GoPro footage. What I did do is take a load of photos and a quick phone video while I was there, and that's what you're about to see. So enjoy, lots of little photos, a little short video. What a beautiful place to visit. There is a small tea room there and a gift shop. So if you are heading that way, I suggest you either take some food with you or stop somewhere else to grab something to eat. I don't think the little tea room does much other than sort of cakes and stuff. And parking in the car park, when I went there, it was £1 for a motorbike, which is fine, and it's cash. Right, I will be going back again on an organised trip, which will be on rideouts and events in Wales, in brackets mostly, if I haven't already been, because I don't know when this video is going up, as normal. But as I say, enjoy the video, and I shall catch you next time. So, in the meantime, as always, of course, please be safe, ride safe, and have fun. Doodles! And over to the video.